Good my people, welcome back to my channel, Aztec, nahuatl, which diasporas and history 101. I want to debunk this myth of how the Spaniards thought we saw him as gods. That's false. It was only a protocol and the politics and procedures of how to greet other nations. Just like in modern days, when we greet somebody into our house, we give them food and water, right? It was only a protocol. We never saw them as gods just because they were white. We knew we had the whitest of them all skin tones here, and those were called albinos. So they were, they thought that we were ignorant of other skin tones. But that's false. That is a way to make us look as we were stupid. We were not stupid.